Well, welcome everyone. I'd like to show you a little hint, a little how-to to use Artisly and Video Express together to create some fairly decent but simple video scenes. And this scene here, I'll play it. Okay, so that's made from about 4 clips and 2 still frames. And I use Magix Movie Studio. I haven't got onto using I'm just used to this, so that's what I use. And over on Artisly, or on Magix, or not Magix, on Video Express, I've got my all the videos I've done, and here you can see I've taken this one and this one, and I use the constant character feature. And what I'll do to get the 2 clips to be very close, I'll drag them to the timeline. I had one down there. So I start with this one, drag it to the timeline, and so that's that one. And you can see when you step through it. So what you do is you go toward the end, you go to the end, and then you come up here and you save image as. Okay, and that will save it on my local hard drive. Then I come back over, then you go back to constant character, bring that photo back over. Now I don't have my Artisly and my Video Express linked, so I'm always downloading anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. You bring that image back over. I think I already have it, yeah. And then you say use exact image, create the image, and carry on from there. Then you take that image and make the next sequence in the video. Okay, now I can't get Video Express to do that fade out where the girl dissolves into, fades away. So what you do, you just take that last image. I'll get it. Let's see, was this it? Yes, okay. So you bring that down to your timeline, and you can see I've got the marker toward the end. Save that as an image, bring it over to your hard drive. Okay, so when I go back into my Magix, okay, so we've got this expanded. So here's one clip. Here's the next clip. Okay. Here's the next clip where she's turning around. Okay. Now here is a still image that I downloaded from the frame. And here is a still image that I downloaded from the frame. And you can see there, I just do a simple crossfade. You pull them both down. Okay. That's one image. This is the other image. You simply just pull them across each other and do a crossfade. So then as you cycle through the image, it slowly fades from one to the other. Now the important thing is to use the consistent character features in Artistly and Video Express. The background of both images needs to be identical, or it'll, you know, the better identical it is, the better, right? So you can do a little bit of, you notice in this one the man kind of moves a little bit. It's because he's not in the background. But that can give you an idea of just some simple things you can do between using video clips, which Video Express, I mean, that's a pretty good clip, I'll have to agree. And then save a frame of it and use it to go to your next clip, or do what I've done here and create just two still images fading. And because the background is the same, one of the questions you're probably going to ask is how to get the second still frame without the female, or without the woman in it. And it's pretty simple. You just go over to Artistly, use the Design Assistant, Photo Editor, load the photo you want to change, pick your aspect ratio, and then in the prompt you say just remove the woman, right? And you should get, you might have to mess with it a little bit, but you should get a frame without the woman in it. Download that and come back over to your video editing software, or use theirs. I'm not sure how to do it in theirs, but download them and place them where you need them and do that crossfade. And that should be pretty well it. And hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.